In this class, we are doing the important problems that occurred in examination. These problems appeared in SSC examination in Telangana. So let us take the first problem in sets and logarithms. The question is, let mu equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a universal set. Set A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 8. And B is equal to 0, 3, 5, 7, 10. 0, 3, 5, 7, 10. Then represent. Someone is saying video is not coming. You might be muted your video. Mute on your video. Okay?
No, sir.
Then represent A intersection B through Venn diagram. This question is asked for 2 marks. 2 marks question. So you are given universal set A and set B, and you have to represent A intersection B through Venn diagram. Okay. So they are not asking to find out A intersection. A intersection B we have to represent by Venn diagram. So we know that A intersection B means the set containing all the common elements that are present in A and B, common to A and B. So 0 is not here. 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are present in both A and B. We will get 3 and 5 in that. So let us draw the set A, set B in universal set. Okay. So what are the common elements in A and B? We will see 3, 5. So we present this common area 3 and 5. And in A, other than 3 and 5, we have 2, 5. So the 3 and 5 are over 8. Remaining elements in set B, 3, 5 are over 0, 7, 10. So again, elements in universal set. 0 is there, 1 is not come, so you can represent 1 here. 2 is over, 3 is over, 4 has not come, right? 5 is over, 6 has not come, right? 6, 7 is here, 8 is here, 9 has not come, right? 9 here. So 1, 4, 6, 9 elements are there. So this is the A intersection B. You can shade it. Okay. And write down A intersection B is equal to shaded region and contain the elements 3 comma 5. Okay, please note down this problem. Next question, second question. This is of 4 marks. Let A equal to set of elements x such that 2x plus 1 is given and x belongs to n. X is less than or equal to 5. Set to B of all element x is that x belongs to whole numbers, x is less than or equal to 12. Show that A union B minus A intersection B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. So A union B minus A intersection B or A minus B union B minus A, we have already studied that this is a symmetric difference. So we have to list out the elements and we have to show, we have to find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A and do these operations. The solution. A is given x such that 2x plus 1 and x belongs to n, x is less than or equal to 5. So x is less than or equal to 5 and x belongs to n means natural numbers. So x takes the values 1. What is x? X will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 equal to 5. So therefore your set A will contain 2x plus 1 values where x belongs to n and x is less than or equal to 5. That means for all x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it takes 2x plus 1 values. So let x equals to 1. What do you get 2x plus 1? 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3. Again x equal to 2, 2 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. X equal to 3, 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. X equal to 4, 2 4 is 8 plus 1, 9. Again x equals to 5, 2 5 is 10 plus 1, 11. So these are the elements of A. So unless and until you list out the elements of set A, you can't find out union or difference anything. In set B, let us list out the elements of set B. Whole number starts from 0 and x is less than or equal to 12, means 0 to 12. Means we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? These are the elements of set B. So for finding out A union B minus A intersection B, let us find out A union B. So what is A union B? Set of all elements that are either in A or in B or in both. This 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. Union taken with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And this will be equal to adding all those elements. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 also you have to write. I have to write all those things. So let us write in order all. So you have to list out all the elements. So you write on 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Set of all elements A I have written. Now go to B. 0, not there. So write down 1, write down 2. 3 is already we have written. Repetition won't occur in sets. So no need to write that. 4, 5 is there. 6, 7 is there. 8, 9 is there. 10, 11 is there. 12. So arranging this, what we got is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is what we got A and B. Let us find out A intersection B. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 intersection taken with intersection taken with set B, which contains 0 to 12. So 0 to 12 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So intersection means only common elements. See the elements in A first and find out whether it is there in B or not. If it is there, you write here. 3. 3 is here. Yes, it is there. So it is common element. 3. 5. 5 is here. Yes. 7 is there. Right. 9 is there. And then 11 is there. Over. No need to see other thing. If you look at other thing also, they are not not present in A. So they are not common. So this is the intersection. Now A union B minus of A intersection B. This is difference. You are taking difference of sets. Now A union B minus A intersection B. So what is A union B? We have A union B 0 to 12 continuously. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 are there. A intersection B 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is A union B minus A intersection B 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So and this equals to. So what does this contain? Set of all elements in first set. Okay. That are not in second set. So 0. Let us see 0. 0 is not here. So we can write 0. 1 is also not there. We can write 1. 2 is also not there. We can write. 3 is there. So we cut it. 4 not there. 5 is there. Cut it. 6 we can write. 7 is there. 8 we can write. 9 8. 10 we can write. 11 8. And next
10.
so therefore what you got is A union B minus A intersection B is equal to this one. Okay. So let's take this as 1 or the left hand side, whatever we have got. So all of you note down this and next let us see RHS. Okay. Copy down. RHS. So 4HS, that's what we have. A minus B union B minus A. This is what we have. So A minus B is equal to, take the elements of set A, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, minus B, 0 to 12. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this is what we have. So A minus B we have to find out. We have to bother about only the elements A, and it should remain as they should contain the elements that are in A and not in B. So first to see 3. 3 is there here or not? Yeah, here we find. So strike it out. 5. 5 is also here. Okay, strike it out. 7. 7 is also there. 9. 9 is also there. 11. 11 is also here. So what you get? A minus B is empty. That is 5. Nothing. Here. Now let us see B minus A. B minus A. So in B we have 0 to 12. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, minus A. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Now we are bothered about only set B here, and that are B minus A should contain elements of set B that are not in set A. So let us see. 0 is not there, we can write. 1 not there, we can write. 2 not there, we can write. 3 is there, look at it. 4 not there. 5 there, look at it. 6 not there. 7 there. 8 not there. 9 there. 10 not there. 11 is there. And can write 12. So for B minus A is this. Now we want A minus B union B minus A. So let us find out A minus B union B minus A. It's equals to empty set minus the union 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So what you get union, if you take this empty set with this, again you get all the elements are in this set and this set. So nothing is there, don't write anything. Now we list out these elements now. 0, 1, 2, and 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this is what we have, A minus B union B minus A. This is number 2. Now observe with your 1, 0, 1, 2. So if you see, look at the 1, A union B minus A intersection B, 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So from 1 and 2, therefore from 1 and 2, we can say that A union B minus A intersection B is equals to A minus B union B minus A. And this is also called as symmetric difference A delta B. This symmetric difference of sets. Symmetric difference of two sets A and B here. Okay. So now copy down From here onwards.
సార్ మీది కానండి రాయలేదు.
Just a minute.